Hello Python developers. Let's discuss new topic of advanced Python. Abstract base classes. ABC module. What is ABC module in Python? An abstract base class is a class that cannot be instantiated directly and is used as a blueprint for other classes. It is worked like as a blueprint for other classes. ये क्या करता है? ये डिफाइन करता है what methods our child class must implement. A common interface for related classes means when we create a method inside abstract base class, we can use this as a abstract method in other child classes. And Python provides the ABC module for creating abstract classes. So Python provides us ABC module for creating these abstract classes. So why we should use abstract classes? Why use abstract classes? Suppose you are building a vehicle system and in every vehicle must have class start method start and stop, okay, in each and every car. So instead of writing these methods repeatedly in each class, you can define a common structure using an abstract class. So this is the benefit to use abstract classes, and these are benefits: enforces implementation of important methods and improve code consistency and supports abstraction and useful in large projects. Mark this line: useful in large projects. ABC module. To create an abstract class, this is a way to import abstract class ABC. From ABC, import ABC and abstract method. So this is must to use abstract method where ABC base class for abstract classes and abstract method is a method that marked our method as a abstract method. So let's check how it works. So first we need to import ABC. From ABC, import ABC comma abstract base class abstract method, and then create a main class means class create a class for vehicle with ABC colon, and create a method abstract method at the rate abstract method. So we define our method as abstract method def start self colon and just pass like this. So this method will count as abstract class method. And now create child class car, okay, colon. I think we should use vehicle. So create a method def start self colon and print car started, and create a object of this car class. So C is equal to car. So this is our object and call our method start to this object. Now run this program. Car started now. So this is a way to use abstract method in your programs. Now what happens if we don't implement the abstract method? What happens if we don't implement the abstract method? Let's check what happens. So let's check first 8 our from abc import abc comma abstract method and create your class vehicle with abc module colon implement abstract method and def start is our method, self colon and just pass, and go inside this child class car and vehicle colon, and you just pass this. You are not implementing the method start, and create just object of car, and now run this. So it will give us a type error. Cannot instantiate abstract class car without an implementation for abstract method start. So it wants to use your method, this abstract method in this class. In abstract class, we can also use constructor also. Abstract classes can also have constructors. So let's see how do we use constructor in abstract class. So first from abc import abc comma abstract method, create a class employee abc colon, create a constructor def init self comma name colon, self dot name is equal to name. So this is our constructor, and create a method abstract method at the rate abstract method for def salary self colon pass. So this is our abstract method, and create another class, child class, manager, employee, colon. Okay. Implement your method, def, salary, self, colon, return 50,000 as salary, and create object of manager with their name, Anuj. Okay. Print m dot name and print your method also, salary, m dot salary, like this. Okay, now run this. Anuj and 50,000. This is the name and that is the salary. So it will also use constructor in abstract base class. Now use abstract class with normal methods. So use normal methods in abstract class. An abstract class can contain abstract methods and concrete normal methods. So use these through an example. Okay. So how to use normal methods in abstract class? So first from abc import abc comma abstract method, and create a class animal abc, and create abstract class method, abstract method def var, not var, sound, so sound, self colon and pass. So every animal has their sound, and now create normal sleep method, self colon print sleeping, and move to child class dog, and use animal class also colon, and implement your method sound def sound self colon print sound of dog is bark, yeah, wow wow bark, and create an object of dog class d equal to dog like this d dot sound and d dot work, not work, sleep, and now run this. Is this working? Yes. Work and sleeping. So both method is working for abstract class. This one, this normal and this abstract method also. So this is a way to use normal methods also inside this abstract class. Now understand the use of properties in abstract method. Abstract classes. Abstract properties. You can also make properties abstract. So let's see how to make these. To do make properties, so from abc import abc comma abstract method and create a class and parent class person with abc colon and create a property at the rate abstract method and write your method def name self colon return, sorry, just pass this name method because of this property and move to next class. Now create child class student and our parent class person colon and implement property to this method def name self colon and return name. So name is Anuj and after that create object. So s equal to student. This is our object of our class and print s dot name as property. Okay, and now run this. Is this working? Yes. So it will print our property name Anuj. Okay, of this student. So this is a way to use property also. Now let's understand abstract static method. Okay, how to use static method from abc import abc comma abstract method class parent class demo abc abstract class and use static method static at the rate abstract method def so self colon and print, sorry, not to print, only just pass this because we are implementing this right here and slice this and implement now this class test and use demo parent class colon at the rate static method and def so self colon print hello like this and we can directly use from this class name test dot so run this test dot so and there is an issue again sms this one argument self missing one require position argument self. Okay, we cannot use this self because of this is static method. Run this and it will show us this hello. Okay, so this is a way to use static method in abstract classes. So, what is the difference between abstract class and interfaces? Python doesn't have a separate interface keyword like Java. Java has their interface keyword and Python doesn't have. So, abstract classes are commonly used to achieve interface like behavior. So, we use abstract classes as same as interface, that our interface is worked in Java and abstract classes is also worked like interface in this Python. And what are the advantages and limitations of abstract classes? So first, understand advantages of abstract classes: code standardization and better architecture, and reduces bugs and promotes abstraction and easier maintenance. And limitations: adds complexity for small projects and require additional implementations, and not always necessary for simple scripts. Okay, so these are the advantages and limitations of abstract classes. So thanks for watching. In this concept, we will discuss next topic of advanced Python in our next video. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe if this video is helpful for you, and try to watch other videos also to understand all the advanced topic of Python. Okay, we are also building our advanced project, so you can also watch our lives to understand how advanced projects are made.